my steaks all night. My girlfriend likes less fat, so I'm going to go ahead and put hers in, the probe in that one, because that has definitely a lot of fat. So here's the probe I got off of Amazon for the Pitt Boss. It has one ring on it, if it focuses. One ring. Definitely want the nice cover on it. It's like a metal cover, because sometimes you gotta put it way in. I wish it would stink and focus. I'm not using my GoPro right now. There's the probe itself. Super long, but I put it in hamburgers yesterday, only that far, and it still worked great. And I had to trust it, because I didn't trust it and pulled it out and the hamburgers weren't done, because smoking cooks the outside and makes it look great, but you really don't know the internal. And that little bump right there, if you guys can see it, that's from locking the lid with that thing hanging out the lid. So whoops, yeah, you may not want to crush the lid. Still works. It's only $6. Put the link in the description below. So I'm going to put it right in the middle of that steak and shove it all the way in. Can't really show you guys because I don't have a tripod. Putting you down though. And look into my oven. So she wants it cooked so that there is no pink. And as you push it in, make sure you get it straight. If it pops out one way, which I did on the hamburgers, because somehow we got thin hamburgers, it will read the temperature of the grill, not. Steaks are nice and juicy. Okay, show you guys that I have it in there. Sorry, I don't have my tripod right now. Shoved it in. For some reason it's not focusing. Focus. There we go. Modern cameras. It's in all the way. Didn't poke out anywhere. So I really think it takes the temperature from the tip. And they're perfect. Good to throw it on the grill now. Yeah, the grill's getting there. I cook them at 3. We are smoking them in some sort of way. Already. I'm gonna slap them on there. I'm gonna go ahead, see where it says NOP, something like that. NOP. Watch this. I plug it in. Right below. It says 37 degrees now. If it would focus. Alright, hold on. Let me clean my. Sorry guys. It's saying 37 degrees because it just fucking out. If I scrape this off, will it look better? There, you see it? Fuck it, you can see it. 37 degrees. Smoke's starting to come out. We're gonna go ahead and put this on there. Put mine on there. Put that in a little bit further. That way the lid isn't crushing so much. Make sure we got enough. I got that stuff all over me now. Make sure we got enough pellets to go. Close her up for an hour. Let's see if that thing moves at all. Such a glare. 37. Can you see the 37 at the top? This is really bad. There you go. That's 37. I don't know why I can't be right up on it. That's the internal temp of the steak. The bottom is what I'm cooking it at. It's kind of moving around a little bit, but this probe does work. Got way up on the temp yesterday. So yeah, link will be in the description below. Works, so it's going up to 39. It's very slow because it's the internal temperature, and when you're smoking it cooks the outside, slowly cooks it in. So yeah, thanks for watching. You can see me down here. Just hit an hour. And it's at 150 degrees on one of the steaks. The other one may be cooked, but they're looking delicious. I would say the probe is right on. I would cut it in half, but my woman don't like me making videos. So if I was to cut it in half, she'd be like, "You ruined my steak, I gotta cut it." Don't go by my temps or anything, we're just reviewing the probe. Slowly went up, took an hour to get to 150. I'm taking them off at 155 and 160 because she likes it cooked a little bit more. Thanks for watching.